whether the cash is coming into the business or going out of the business. The sources of cash and uses of cash is that cash which can be pulled out of the business without hurting its business operations. So let's look at the real blueprint, 4 steps to successful stock investing. Hello my dear friends, welcome back, and in today's episode let's try to understand what is a cash flow statement. And by the way, do you still remember the 3 most important components of a balance sheet and income statement? Okay, let me remind you again. Assets, liabilities and shareholders' equity are the 3 most important components of a balance sheet. Revenues, expenses and profits are the 3 most important components of an income statement. Similarly, cash flow from operating activities, cash flows from investing activities and cash flow from financing activities are the 3 most important components of a cash flow statement. So basically, cash flow statement, these are the 3 items you will find. Now what is cash flow from operating activities? So this is the cash inflows or outflows from the core business operations. You will find the cash inflows and outflows of core business operations. Now other income, other expenses are basically excluded from here. Now what is cash flow from investing activities? As the name suggests, so basically these are the cash inflows and outflows of investments a company made, that is buying or selling. Basically all the information regarding the investments you will find in cash flow from investing activities. Now what is cash flow from financing activities? Here you will find 2 types of transactions from bondholders and shareholders. So any transaction that is dilution of equity or dividend payments, borrowings. So basically any transactions with bondholders and shareholders, you will find it here. But if you are burdened by all this explanation, if you think this is overwhelming, don't worry, because I'll make a separate course where I'll explain all these things in a much detailed way. So don't get overwhelmed. And what is the purpose of having a cash flow statement or reading or analyzing a cash flow statement? 1, you want to know what are the cash inflows and outflows. So basically that information you will find in the cash flow statement. So here you will get to understand whether the cash is coming into the business or going out of the business. Now let me ask you a question. Which is the best situation, cash coming in or cash going out? Obviously cash coming in. So cash flow statement will help you in understanding whether the company is generating cash or cash is going out of the business. Next, cash flow statement will give you the information regarding the sources of cash and uses of cash. Last but not least, it will help you to compute the free cash flows. Now what is free cash flows? I have already covered it in one of my last episodes. Free cash flows is that cash which can be pulled out of the business without hurting its business operations. So free cash flow to sales, if you can remember, should be greater than 5%. So to compute this, we need free cash flows, and cash flow statement will give you that information. So that's it for today, guys. So far we have covered most of the theory part in the stock market success blueprint, but going ahead, let's move on to the practical aspects of stock market success blueprint, where I will give you the exact parameters for analyzing the financial health of the company, growth of the company, profitability of the company, valuation. So let's look at the real blueprint going forward, and in my next episode, let's divide the stock market success blueprint into 4 steps. Let's divide the entire process into 4 steps. So in my next video or next episode, you will learn the 4 steps to successful stock investing. So that's it for today, guys. And in case if you are new here, please consider to subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon as well, so that you get instant notifications as and when I upload a new video. Thank you so much, guys, for your support. This is Vishnu Deekonda signing off.